Hey everyone! Welcome back to Finance in Sticks. If you've been following the series, you now know why investing matters, your risk tolerance, the types of investments available. Now it's time to put it all together. Today, we're talking about how to start investing, step by step, even if you've never invested before. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Get your financial basics in order. Before you put money into investments, make sure your foundation is strong and solid. That means 1. Pay off high-interest debt, like credit cards or quick loans, because no investment can beat that interest rate. 2. Build an emergency fund, at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses and savings, so you don't have to sell investments in an emergency. 3. Have a steady source of income. Investing works best when you can contribute regularly. Step 2. Know your goals. Ask yourself, why am I investing? Short-term goal 1 to 3 years, like a car, you'll want safer investments, like savings or bonds. Long-term goal 5+ years, like retirement, a house, or financial freedom, you can consider riskier investments like stocks, mutual funds, or ETFs, or real estate. Your goals will guide what you invest in. Step 3. Understand your risk tolerance. We covered this in Video 3. Risk tolerance is knowing how much risk you can handle without panicking or how comfortable you are with taking risk. If you're okay with big ups and downs, you might lean toward stocks or growth assets. If not, you might choose safer investments like bonds or fixed deposits. Knowing this helps you stay calm when markets move. Step 4. Choose your investment account. To invest, you need the right account. Think of it like the doorway to your investments. Depending on your country, this could be a brokerage account for stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, a retirement account like IRA, 401k, or pension fund, a real estate platform for property investments, a crypto exchange. If you want digital assets, be careful here. Research and choose a platform that's safe, regulated, and easy to use. It's essential to undertake comprehensive research to ensure informed decision-making. Step 5. Start small and learn. You don't need a lot of money to start. Many platforms let you invest with as little as $10. Start small, focus on learning, and add more over time. Before investing, ensure you thoroughly understand the investment type and continually educate yourself to enhance your knowledge and make informed decisions. As they say, practice makes perfect. Remember, the goal is consistency. Step 6. Diversify. Don't put all your money into one thing. Spread it across different types of investments, stocks, bonds, maybe some real estate or commodities. This is called diversification, and it helps protect you if one investment does badly. Step 7. Stay consistent and patient. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term game. Invest regularly, monthly if you can, and don't panic when markets go down. The longer you stay invested, the more your money can grow. So there you have it. 7 simple steps to start investing. Remember, build your financial foundation first. Set clear goals. Know your risk tolerance. Choose the right account. Start small. Diversify. And be patient. And always expand your knowledge in areas where you are not an expert. If this helped you, like the video, comment below. What's your first investment going to be? Or what it was like if you had already invested? And subscribe, because in the next video, we'll cover beginner investing mistakes you must avoid. See you in the next one.